In this demo, I am going to show you a tool called GetSet. This tool is used to retrieve data out of P6 into an Excel spreadsheet and then manipulate the data and then upload the data back into P6. So the way it works is we have the input in a spreadsheet which has got columns, which is basically the source of data that we want from different parts of the project. So we can put things like project code, names, EPS, project UDFs, and we also got activity level fields as well that we can extract. And there are many other things that we can do, and we can keep on adding whatever we want to retrieve. So in this spreadsheet we also have got a project list. So in this case we're only going to use 2 projects which we want to work on, and looking at P6 we already have got those projects. So today we will be moving these projects into the different EPSs. We'll assign some project codes, and we'll also populate the UDF, and we'll do some linking of activities, assign resources and duration to activities as well. So we'll start the tool. Again, similar interface with a P6 login, username and password. And then in this case today we want to select use the project list from the Excel spreadsheet. If you don't check this is going to load all the projects that exist in P6. So we'll download the data, manipulate, and then upload. So let's download. So it will download the data for 2 projects. So in P6 we have attached or hooked up the spreadsheet to a data file which has been populated by the tool. So when we retrieve it, we get this data. So basically this is the current data out of P6 that we have got. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to change this data and then we'll upload this back into P6. So what I have done here, I have updated this data in the spreadsheet. So I've changed the project name, and I've also changed the EPS where it should go, the status. I'm assigning project code. I'm also populating the UDF, assigning a resource to this particular activity, and I'm also linking the activity I1020, which is last activity in project 2, to the first activity in project 3. So I'm ready to run this. So I've put some controls in this tool so that somebody just doesn't hit upload data and it goes and change data. It needs some user input, so you have to type YES in capital letters, and it has uploaded the data in P6. So let us go and refresh. So you can see it has changed the project names, and it has allocated or moved the project into the different EPSs. It has populated the location code and the project manager as well. Let's open one of the projects. So in here it has assigned one of the resources which budgeted in is 40, and as well as let's have a look at the relationship. So it has put this particular activity is now has got a finish to start relationship to project number 3. Let's have a look at the logs. So a log file has been generated. So it basically tells us what has been downloaded, the time, and also what was uploaded, with the file used, how many columns were in there, and if there were any errors in this upload. Apart from this, the spreadsheet has also got a quick reference guide. So it basically tells us what are the different functions we can do. So you can see we can change project ID, project name, data date, finish date, forecast date, status. We can populate UDFs, assign project codes. At activity level we can assign resources, plan units, constraints, durations, linking activity, predecessors and successors. We can rename activity IDs, we can assign roles, we can rename activity name, we can also assign activity codes to activities, and we can do notebook entries, and we can also set project labeling priority. Apart from this, if the users require any other functionality, it can be built into this tool. Thank you.